In the fields of the sand, you planted the seeds. Faithful servants meeting hearts' needs, guiding souls with your love and your care. Your legacy will always be there. Farewell, dear shepherds, we'll miss your light. You've shown us the way, kept hope in sight. On this journey you're never alone, for your work has built us a home. Through the trials you stood so strong, in every prayer, in every song. The mission you've shaped, the lives you've touched, we thank you now.